Hey everyone, I'm Laura Bailey and I am looking forward to learning with you this semester. I am in my 21st year in education and I'm currently serving as a principal at an elementary school in Scotland County. My family, I am married to Richard and we've been married for almost 15 years. We have a 12-year-old son, Carson, who is in 6th grade. We love sports. We love traveling. My husband is a teacher and a coach, a football coach. He has been for 30 years. So we're anxiously awaiting the hopeful start of football season here in a couple of weeks for him. I think the pandemic, my position has made the challenges of virtual learning during a pandemic very evident, particularly because of the age and grade levels that I'm responsible for. I think if I could change something in my current role, it would be the way that we communicate with and engage with our parents, and that's something that we're working on as a faculty now. But I think it would be safe to say that parent engagement has long been a source of discontent with educators in general. But to me, it has shown this during this time has shown me that for the most part, parents are willing to be involved in their child's education, but many just don't know how. So we've been having conversations centered around how we can build on what we've learned and accomplished over the last 10 months when parent engagement and involvement has been strong and positive, even if it was out of necessity. I really liked the Berliner article, thought it was very interesting. I've always been of the thought that education is not black and white, and I don't mean race. I mean, what works for one teacher might not work for another, or what works in my school isn't going to work in all schools. So to me, this piece highlighted the importance of human interaction and how it's a challenge to educational research, and I wholeheartedly agree. My school is very diverse in terms of race and socioeconomic status, so my students have very different needs. There's so much gray. That's one of the reasons why I put this picture or this quote up. There's so much gray that we don't know about with our students that can impact their responses to classroom instruction and interactions. And so I just think that that's really important. And I've always thought of data as being important, but also something that can usually be manipulated to show what you want it to show. For that reason, I've often struggled with educational research, not because I don't think it's important or relevant, but because I find it difficult to prove with absolute certainty that a specific intervention or program was solely responsible for facilitating the results presented. But again, look forward to working with you all this semester. Thank you.